Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am in the parking lot of CVS. I am headed in to do my second haul for the week. I told you guys CVS was on fire, and I told you I would be back to do some more deals. So we're going to go in. We're going to have a couple glitches going on some hair products. We're going to do some more deodorant deals. There's a glitch on the Degree that I'm going to show you. Guys, there's going to be an incredible haul. So go ahead, get your cameras out, your phones out, your pens, your papers, your inserts, get everything ready and prepared. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, make sure you do that. I will put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. That way all you have to do is click on it, download it, and be ready to save. And don't forget, with Ibotta, for everyone that you share your link with, when they redeem their first receipt, you get $10. Guys, those $10 really add up. And with Fetch, when they scan their first receipt, you get $2 and they get $2. Guys, you just will not believe the amount of money that I get to use for couponing just by sharing my link with you guys. And you could do the same thing and use that money to coupon. That way you're not taking money out of your pocket. So let's head into CVS and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so this is everything that I got in the store. I wasn't able to make my video in the store because again the music was blaring and it's just too much to be doing all that editing and everything else, and I just really didn't feel comfortable with doing the video in the store. So this is what I ended up getting. Some of the things I wanted to get were not in stock, but that's okay. So we still had a really good haul. So first we're going to start off with the Degree deodorant. Guys, this is a glitch. So if you're going to do this deal, run out, do it ASAP because I don't know how long it is going to last. We all know with glitches, they can end at any time. So run out and do it immediately. You're going to grab 2 Degree. You can either get 2 men's or 2 women. It doesn't matter. But you have to get the sticks. Do not get the spray. I'm not sure if the glitch works with the spray or not, but I know it definitely works with the sticks because that's the deal that I did. So they're buy one, get one half off. So the first one you're going to pay $5.79 for. The second one you're going to pay $2.90. If you have a deodorant CRT, please use that to bring your out-of-pocket even lower. So what I did is I used the $2 off a deodorant CRT. Now this is where the glitch is. Look in your CVS app. You should have 2 digital coupons. You should have a $3 off 2 Degree coupon, and then you should have a $1 off Degree coupon. You're going to clip both of those coupons. They're both going to attach to those Degree deodorants, which is going to take off a total of $4. And if you have any deodorant CRTs, throw those in. So here's my receipt. You see I used the $3 digital, the $1 digital, and then I used the $2 off 8 CRT. So I paid $2.68 out of pocket, but I got back a $3 CRT. So that meant that this was a wasn't a money maker, but it was free deodorant. So actually it was a money maker. I'm sorry, it was free deodorant, and I end up making 32 cents off of this Degree deodorant. So run out, get your free Degree deodorant. Now this deal, the Degree deal and the Dove deal, is the same exact deal. I did both of them, one on one card, one on another card, because I wanted to show you how each of them worked. The Degree is a glitch, the Dove is not a glitch. So this is how the Dove deal works. You're going to grab 2 men's Dove deodorant. Now you can get the women's, that's still part of the deal, but if you want it to be a money maker, you have to grab the men's. Okay, so you're going to grab the men's deodorant. You're going to pay full price for one, half price for the other. So that is $7.29 for the first one and $3.65 for the second one. You're going to give them 2 of these 3 $1 2 of these $3 coupons that just came out in the Sunday paper. So that's going to take $6 off. Then you're going to pay out of pocket $4.93. This is where the moneymaker comes in. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $2 back from Ibotta, $1 for each deodorant. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch. You're going to get $2 for Fetch, because when you submit your receipt to Fetch, for every 2 that you buy, you get $2. And then you're going to get back a $3 ECB. So that means you're going to pay $4.93 out of pocket, but you're going to get back a total of $7, because you get $2 back from Ibotta, $3 back in extra bucks, $2 back from Fetch. So that makes this a $2.07 moneymaker. Free Dove deodorant. I love it. Plus a moneymaker. That moneymaker is going to help pay for our Beauty 360 cotton balls we have. Now here is another deal that you can do. You don't need any paper coupons for this. You can use either the digital coupon or you can use the paper coupon. Totally up to you. But you want to grab 2 of the Garnier hair masks. They are on sale this week, 2 for $7. You can clip the $4 digital coupon that's in the CVS app, or you can use the $4 coupon that just came out in this Sunday's paper. You're going to pay $3 at the register. You're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So that's going to make this $1 out of pocket, or 50 cents for each one of these masks. Guys, that's an excellent deal because these are regularly $4.99 a piece. Okay, our last and final deal is on the Beauty 360. This is an unadvertised deal. The deal is advertised in the store, but is not advertised in the circular. I didn't see it in the circular, but I may be wrong. The Beauty 360 products are spend $10, get $5 in extra bucks. Guys, I really like this deal because this is like getting 50% back from what you spend. And normally when they do this deal, it's like spend 10, get $3 back. But this time it's spend 10, get 5. So this is the perfect time to take advantage of this. The other reason I took advantage of this and I grabbed the cotton balls, not just because I needed them, but also the cotton balls, the 70 count were like $2.79. And the 100 count was also, I believe, $2.79. But they are on sale, 2 for $5. So I got a total of 4, which put me right at my $10, which is what I need to get my $10 in extra bucks. So I paid $5 out of pocket, and I paid $10 out of pocket, and I got back $5 in extra bucks. So this haul was a little over $3. I'm perfectly okay with that because everything in this haul I do need. So guys, this is just a small haul, something simple that you can go out and do with CVS. Get some freebies, get some money makers. Don't forget to submit your receipt to Ibotta if you haven't done so. Downloaded it yet, don't forget to check the description box in the comments. The link is in there. It's also in there for Fetch. And until the next time, keep on saving.